Good morning, students. In the previous class, I had finished revision exercise. Before I started this class, I want to say that when I will solve any question in this video, you have to write these questions in your class or copy and also definitions. I will telling you which questions you solve in book and which questions you solve in your homework copy. Now open your maths book, page number 5. In this exercise, we have to learn about Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. In Indian system, we have 4 periods: ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. In ones periods have ones, tens and hundreds. In thousands periods have thousands, 10,000s. In lakhs periods have lakhs, 10 lakhs. And in crores periods, crores and 10 crores. Short form of placage is O for ones, T for tens, H for hundreds, TH for thousands, TTH for 10,000s, L for lakhs, TL for 10 lakhs, C for crore and TC for 10 crores. Now see international system of numeration. In international system of numerations have 4 periods: one, thousands, millions and billions. But you have to read only ones, thousands and millions. Now see here, in ones periods have ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands periods have thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. In millions periods have millions, 10 millions and hundreds millions. Short form of placage is O for ones, T for tens, H for hundreds, TH for thousands, TTH for 10,000s, HTH for 100,000s, M for millions, TM for 10 millions, HM for 100 millions. In Indian systems, the ones periods has 3 places: ones, tens and hundreds, and rest have 2. But in international system, the ones period have 3 places: ones, tens and hundreds, and rest have also 3 places. Then we separate in Indian system and in international system through comma. Now see exercise 1.1, page number 7. Question number 1. Mark the pairs and write the number name in the Indian system as well as in the international system of numeration. In this question, we have to write number name. But in this question, we have to separate also Indian system and international system through commas. See here. In Indian system, 72,21,060, and in international systems 7,221,016. Now see question number 2. Write the numeral. In this question we have to write numbers, means numerals of these questions. See question number 3. rewrite the numbers in international system. In this question, here question has written in Indian system, and we have to write this number in international system through separating commas. See question number 4. Rewrite the numbers in Indian system. Here this number is written in international system, then we have to write this number in Indian system. See next question, question number 5. Write the digits, the numbers in the appropriate place in the Indian place value chart. Mark the periods first. Firstly, I want to say that we have read this number right to left, means 2, 2, 3. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000s and lakh, and we mark comma to separate these digits after crore, lakhs, thousands. Then we write here 2, 1, 6 in ones periods, 1, 2, 3 in 1 and 2 in thousands periods, and 3 in lakhs periods. Now see question number 6, same as question number 5. Write the digits of the numbers in appropriate place in the international system. In this question, question number 1, 316120. We can see that here ones, thousands, millions. It means this number is in international system. Now read 316,120. Then we write 0, 2, 1 in ones period, 6, 1, 3 in thousands periods. Now see question number 7. Write the successor of. Successor means what is comes after that this number. You have to add one of this number. Question number 8. Write the predecessor of. In this question, we have to subtract 1. Now see question number 9. Write the smallest number of 7 digits. Question number 10. Write the greatest number of 7 digits. You have to write smallest and greatest number of 7 digits. Now open your maths book, page number 11. Exercise 1.2. Write the place, face value and the place value of underlined digit. Then we have to know about place, face value and place value. What is place? The place of a digit is decided by its position in the number. उस नंबर का पोजीशन उसका प्लेस बताता है. The face value is the value of the digit by itself. Face value of any number is also itself. Like suppose we take a number 2689, then face value of 9 is 9, face value of 8 is 8, face value of 6 is also 6, and face value of 2 is also 2. Place value is the product of the place and face value. It means if we product place by face value, then we get place. Now what is the place of 2689? 2689 of all the numbers. Place of 9 is ones, place of 8 is tens, place of 6 is hundreds, place of 2 is 1000s. Now place value. The place value of 2 is thousands multiplied 2, because place of 2 is thousands and face value of 2 is 2. Then we multiply 1000 multiplied 2, then 2000 is place value. Now see here, question number A, 1,23,162. In this question we have to write place, face value and place value. See here, 6. See here, 6. What is the place of 6? Then place value of 6 is tens. You have to read ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Then place of 6 is tens. Place value of 6 is also 6. Then place value of 6 is 6 multiply 10 is equal to 60. Then your place value of 6 is 60. Now see what is the place value, place and face value of 1. Then we read ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000 and lakh. Then place of 1 is lakh, face value of 1 is 1 and place value of 1 is 1 lakh. Now see question number 2. Write the place, face value and place value of the underlined digits. Question number E. 52,812,861. This number is in international system of number. Now see, we read right to left, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. Then place of 2 is thousands. Face value of 2 is 2. Place value of 2 is 2000. Then see what is the place, face value and place value of 5. Then place of 5 is 10 millions. Face value of 5 is 5. Place value of 5 is 50 million, because we multiply place and face value. Now exercise 1.1 and exercise 1.2. Both exercise has finished. Question number 3 and question number 4 you can solve on self. In question number 3, express the number 89,61,023 in both system of numeration. Write the number names, write the place value of 8 in both the system. Question number 4, find the sum of place value and face value of digit 6 in number 46,92,385. Firstly, you have to find what is place value and what is face value of 6. Then after you have to add. Now you can solve exercise 1.1 and exercise 1.2 in your homework copy. But question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6 in your maths book. Then your homework is exercise 1.1, question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in maths book and rest question in your homework copy. And exercise 1.2, all question number 1 to 4 in your homework copy. Thank you.